Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss time and work part 2. We already discussed the basics of the time and work. So once just recap that basics. So here where the variables is it man, woman, children. So three members they can use that variables like a person and days and hours and total units are one. It is a work here. And for example, so always the persons is inversely proportional to the days, right? This is very important point. You should note it down. So based on this one only, we are going to solve the problems. And so this is only one important point. If you understand this, so persons increases, then time always decreases. Okay. In a time and distance also we discuss. Speed increases, time will decrease. In the same way, here also, if persons increases, they will do more work and time will less. Okay, that is what important point here. And so we discuss efficiency. What is the efficiency? Efficiency or capacity or one day work is nothing but a person can do work in one day. How much work he can complete in one day? Suppose, for example, they said a person can eat 30 apples in 30 days. 30 apples, 30 days. That means one day work, one day, in one day, how many apples he can eat? One. It's nothing but one by number of days. Okay, one by number of days. So 30 days they given. So 1 by 30, it is one day work. One day work. So this is comes to the rule of flip. Rule of flip. It's nothing but we are converting efficiency or capacity or one day work is nothing but n days equal to 1 by n of the work. 1 by n of the work. So this is very important. Rule of flip. And this is one method to solve this time and work problems. And another one, LCM method. So LCM method is nothing but they will give the days and you have to calculate the LCM. That LCM is nothing but total time, total work. Total work is in units. So 30 units. So from this you can calculate that efficiency. What is that efficiency? Nothing but one day work. How? The total work by number of days. 10. 3. Right? So 3 apples. If he ate 30 apples totally, 30 apples is there totally, 30 apples, and he can complete the 30 apples in only 10 days. That means he can eat every day 3 apples, right? So 30 by 15, so 2 apples, 30 by 30, 1 apple. Okay, this is efficiency or nothing but one day work. Efficiency or nothing but one day work. Efficiency, nothing but one day work. This is what important thing. Why I am recapping everything. So basics is very important. Don't go for the shortcuts first of all. But understand what is the concept. Now, so today we are going to discuss some basic problems. So next we will discuss living and joining and then alternate days. Okay. No. We already discussed this one. Okay, come to this. Raj and Ram working together. Okay. Raj and Ram working together do a piece of work in 10 days. Raj alone can do it in 12 days. Ram alone will do the work in how many days? They're asking, what they're asking here? Raj and Ram, 2 members is there. Raj and Ram, 2 members is there. They can finish the work in 10 days together. That means both are working together. Combinedly, they can finish in 10 days. And Raj only can finish the work in 12 days. In 12 days. Now, what they're asking, Ram alone will do how many days? Okay, Ram is they're asking the question, right? Now, just take the LCM of these two. So 10 and 12. What is the LCM? It's nothing but 60, right? 60 is the LCM. So 60 is LCM means it is nothing but total units of the work. Total units of the work. Now, 1 day work of Ram and Raj. 1 day work is nothing but efficiency. 60 by 10. Is that nothing but 6, right? And 1 day work of Raj. 1 day work of Raj. 60 by 12. It's nothing but 5 minutes. So Raj and Ram together they can eat 6 apples, and only Raj can eat 5 apples. That means if just subtract this from Ram and Raj, so they both can eat 6 apples, and Raj only can eat 5 apples. So what is the Ram efficiency? Is 1. Just subtract this. 6 minus 5 is 1. It is the efficiency. That's nothing but 1 day work. 1 day Ram can eat 1 apple. So totally how many units is there? 60 units is there. That means 60 apples is there. 60 units by 1 day work is nothing but 60 days. They will give the days. So Ram can complete in 60 days. Is it clear? So once again, just what we are doing here, they given Raj and Ram together working time. How many days? 10 days. Only Raj can do in 12 days. And taking the LCM will get total units of the work. Units of the work. Okay. Units of the work. And Ram, so if you know the total units of the work, then you can find out the Ram and Raj units. Mean 1 day efficiency. 1 day work of Ram and Raj, and 1 day work of only Raj. Right? Now just subtract that. Ram will be get 1. So what is this 1? It is nothing but efficiency. Efficiency. 1 day he can eat 1 apple. Totally how many apples is there? 60 apples. So how many days? 60 days. Okay, this is by using LCM method. Suppose if you are doing the same thing in rule of flip, another method. So why I'm teaching the 2 methods means, so we are not going to stick on at this only one method. Based on the question, we have to change our methods. Even sometimes we have to follow options verification, sometimes rule of flip, sometimes LCM method. So if you are practicing more and more questions, then you people will easily identify which easiest method for that one. Okay. Now we'll solve for this and rule of flip method. So Raj and Ram in 10 days. So rule of flip is days equal to 1 by 10. N 1 by 10 in the work. So 1 day they can complete 1 by n directly. 1 day work it is 1 by 10. And Raj, how many days? 12 days. 1 day work is nothing but 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12. So if Raj is 1 by 10 and Ram is 1 by 12, then what is that meaning? Just subtract these two. Subtract these two. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. So LCM is nothing but 60, and here it is 6 by 6 units and 5, and it is nothing but 1 by 60. 1 by 60. What is this 1 by 60? Ram efficiency. 1 by 60 is Ram efficiency. So we know that 1 by n. So if you know the 1 by n, then days, converting the days, inverse, just inverse. Inverse is nothing but 1 by 60, it is nothing but 60 days. 60 days. Okay. So this is what in flip rule of flip will do. Okay. So same answer will get by using any method. Okay. Now moving to the another one. A father can do a job as fast as his 2 sons working together. Okay, if one son does the job in 3 hours and other in 6 hours. In number of hours, the number of hours taken by the father to do the job alone. What they're asking, the same thing they're asking, but in a different manner. Question they change in different manner. How they different manner? What is the different manner here? Actually, two sons is there. Son 1 can do in 3 hours. Son 2 do in 6 hours. So their efficiency, both of these efficiency equal to their father. So father can only will do the job. So come both the sons will do the equal job of, so both the sons. So he can do better job, right? Now just see. So what they're saying this one, and we are asking to find this one. If you are asking to find the father, you just together sons work. If you find out together son together, that means both are working how many days, that is equal to father only, right? So first we'll find out the both mean together. Son 1 in 6 3, son 2 is in 6. So LCM is nothing but 6. So it is 2, it is 1. So efficiency of 2 and efficiency is 1. Now also together means plus. So total units is 6. Total units is 6 and efficiency of son 1 is 2 plus 1 is nothing but totally 3. Otherwise, just take 2 plus 1. It's nothing but 6 by 3. It's nothing but 2. Total units by efficiency. Efficiency 2 days. Right? So yeah. Now moving to the next question. A and B together can finish a work in 6.75 days. A alone can finish the same work in 9 days. In how many days B alone finish the work? So if here also they given the same Ram and Raj question only. Here A, what they given? A and B plus B together they are working in how many days? 6.75 days. So they given in decimals, don't worry, actually it is more easy. So and A alone can do in 9 days, right? So convert this in fractions. So 0.75 is nothing but 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4. So 4, 6 and 27. 27 by 4, right? 27 by 4. And A is 9. So take the LCM of these two. What's the LCM? 27. Okay. So A plus B, 1 day work, efficiency, just calculate. 27 by 27 by 2. Sorry, 27 by 4. Right? So denominator is nothing but numerator, right? So 27 into 4 by 27 is nothing but 27 get cancelled, and it is nothing but 4 apples in a day, both A plus B, and 27 by 9. 27 by 9, it's 3. 3 apples in a day, A alone. So just subtract, we'll get B efficiency. So A plus B efficiency is 4 and A efficiency only 3. Then A minus A 4 minus 3 is nothing but B efficiency is 1. So B efficiency is 1. And what is the total units? So B can eat 1 apple in a day. Okay, how many apples is there totally? 27 apples. So 27 apples by 1 is nothing but 27 days. 27 days. Okay, done. Right? So this is that. Clear? Now, hope you understand. Then move for the next question. Now take here. So A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. So if both A and B can do it in 12 days, then the time taken by B alone to finish that work is. So here they're asking to find us. They didn't give any information except that if both can do in 12 days. That means A plus B in 12 days. In 12 days. Now, what is the A they said? If A is X, 10 days less. Okay, if B is X, assume that B is X, then A can take X minus 10 days. Okay, now if you want to do, then just 1 by a fraction of converting in X minus 10 and plus X. You can use LCM and quadratic equation. Then if you are solving the quadratic equation, then you can get the answer. But instead of that, you can solve by options. How? See, if A plus B 12 days they said, right? So just assume one chance for A will 24 days and B will also 24 days. Then if you are adding the two, A plus B is nothing but 12 days, right? So it will get a chance, one chance. But generally, if it's not sure actually, but it is one chance, then just compare here what they said. A is 10 days less. That means definitely B work is more than 24, right? More than 24. Then only A will take 10 days less. That's it, right? Suppose. And so definitely B is greater than 24. Okay. Option C is eliminated. Okay. And 25 also just nearby. If 21, it is 23. It's not possible, right? So it is also not possible. So 25 also eliminated. Now these two. Now check with option verification method. What they are saying, if B is 30, what they are saying, B is 30, A will 20, right? So take the LCM 60. Take the LCM 60. And B can use 2 units, A can use 3 units, right? So 60 by 5 is nothing but 12 days. 12 days. So equation satisfied. Then we can go with option A only, right? Clear? So if you're solving this in a normal method, so x into x square minus 10x equal to 12. Then if you are solving that, then you can get the same answer actually. But instead of this, you can solve by using the options. How the options? One more time. So 24 more than 24, so 20, 25 is eliminated. So remaining is 30, 37. If you take 30, B is 30, then what is the A? 10 days less, right? It is nothing but 20, right? Now take the LCM of these two, 60. So one efficiency of B is nothing but 60 by 30. 60 by 30 is 2. And efficiency of A 60 by 20 is nothing but 3. So A and B together they given 12 days, right? So A plus B. So 2 plus 3. Efficiency is 5. And in how many days? 12 days they given. And how many units is there? We have 60 units by 5. It's nothing but 12. So both will get same, right? They given 12 days and we got the 12 days only, right? Is it clear? Now, so going to the next question. So 2 men can build a wall in 15 and 20 hours. So 2 men can build a wall in 15 and 20 hours respectively. But if they work together, they use 280 less bricks per hour and build a wall in 12 hours. Find the number of bricks in a wall. Interesting question. See, one more time, you just read the question. Two men can build a wall in 15 and 20 hours respectively. Okay, they given individual work time. Okay, and but they work together. They use 280 less bricks. That means they will do some less work, and build a wall in 12 hours. Find the number of bricks in the wall. Okay. Individually, a man, suppose A and B, think A and B. A can finish, in 15 hours and B can finish in 20 hours. Okay. Now take the LCM. 60 is the LCM. Okay. Now it is nothing but 4 units, 60 by 15. It is nothing but 4 units, and 60 by 20 is nothing but 3 units. So B can use 3 units and A can use 4 units in one day. So together means 7 units. 7 units. 7 units. And but they said together they work in only 12 hours. So 7 hours means seven hours means 60 by 7. 60 by 7 in it's just nothing but okay, first check this. What they given? So totally 60 units, right? Totally 60 units. Then we got, so this is A plus B. A plus B, we got 7 units. 7 units. But they said they'll use 280 less bricks. That means they will use less time. Okay. And then see, 60 by what they given? 12 hours. 12 hours. It's nothing but 5 units, right? 5 units. So actually they have to do 7 units of the work, but they're doing only 5 units of the work. That means they are doing less work. So what's the difference here? 2 units. 2 units. Okay. Okay. This 2 units equal to 280 less bricks. 2 units equal to 280 less bricks. 2 units. So 1 unit is nothing but 140. 140, right? 140. Now, actually, what they're asking, find the number of bricks. How many units is there totally? 60 units is there. So 60 into 140 is nothing but 8400 bricks they are using. Do you understand? One more time, I just explain. See, listen carefully. Very interesting question and very important question here. The previous paper questions, right? So actually they're asking bricks. How many bricks in the wall? Not for the days. And first, A can do in 15 days and B can do in 20 days. Take the LCM. 60. 60 by 15 and 60 by 20. It's nothing but we'll get 4 units and 3 units. So A plus B, 2 men, combinedly if they are working, they can complete one day 7 units. 7 units. And here they said, build a wall in 12 hours, they said, right? So 1 hour, 7 units. 1 hour, 7 units they can do. But in a question they given 12 hours. That means 60 by 12. How many units? 5 units. 5 units. Actually, they need to do 7 units. But they're just doing up the 5 units. 5 units. Right? That means 2 units less work they are doing. Less work. So if they are doing the less work means they're using less bricks. How many less bricks? 280. 280 less bricks they are using. Okay. 2 units is 280. 1 unit is nothing but 140. So in wall, they're asking to find us total bricks in a wall. How much units in wall? 60, right? So 60 into 140, 60 into 140, 8400. Then 8400. Clear? Done? Okay. Now next. Move to the next question. Okay, A can do half a piece of work in 5 days. B can do 3/5 of the same work in 9 days, and C can do 2/3 of that work in 8 days. In how many days three of them together do the work? They given here. So actually in the previous questions you just observe they given A work and B work and C work and C work, right? Now, but here they given not complete work they given. They given the half of the work and 3/5 of the work and 2/3 of the work like this. So you need to convert that in a full work. So first A is 1/2. That means half work in how many days? 5 days. So total work, half work in 5 days, total work in 10 days, right? And B, come to the B, 3/5 of the work in 9 days. 9 days. So totally 5 parts. In that 3 parts is 9. So 1 part is 3. So 1 part is 3. So 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is nothing but 15 days. And come to C, 2/3. So 2/3 is equal to 8. So totally 3 parts. In that 2 parts is 8. That means 1 part is 4. 1 part is 4. So 3 into 4 is nothing but 12 days. 12 days. Now we got the days of 10, 15, 12. So up to this, we just clear up this. How many days A can work, how many days B can work, how many days C can work. So now you just take the LCM. Use the same method now. Use a LCM is nothing but 60. So it is 6 units. A can do 6 units. B can do 4 units. C can do 5 units. Now, what they're asking, in how many days 3 members can do the work? 3 members. Just plus add. So 15. 15 is the efficiency for 3 members. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Right? So efficiency of 3 members is nothing but 15. So 60/15. 60/15 is nothing but how many days? 4. Right? So in 4 days, 3 members together complete the work in 4 days. Okay. First, actually in this problem, what they given? They given a relation of the work. I mean, they given the some tip of the work. So based on that, we are finding out the full day of A work, full day of B work, full day of C work. So then, as usual, what we are following that method, LCM method, and if you are following rule of flip method also, it's okay. So both the methods will get the same days. First of all, you need to convert that full days. They given half of the work is in 5 days. You need to understand that. So 5 days, half the work means total work is nothing but 10 days. So 3/5 is 9. It is total work is 15. 2/3 is 8 and total work is 12. Then easy. Then same process. So moving to the next question. Right? I'm going to clear this and moving to the next question.